Confused when shapes start spinning or switching directions in reasoning questions? Don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of angles, rotations, and directional movements. Mastering these simple concepts will help you solve abstract reasoning problems faster and more accurately. Let's get started.
North, east, south, and west are the four cardinal directions or cardinal points. In addition to these, there are four other ordinal directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. The angles from north to east, east to south, south to west, and west to north are all 90 degrees each. Similarly, the angles from northeast to southeast, southeast to southwest, and southwest to northwest are all 90 degrees. From a cardinal direction to an ordinal direction, the angle is 45 degrees in clockwise or anticlockwise directions.